Hey folks, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here at Treviso Bay down in Naples, Florida. Today we're going to preview the Arbor model home by Lennar. This is part of their Terrace line of condominiums here. These units are 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. You can get these priced in the 220s and up. Let's walk inside this awesome model home and take a look here. Coming into the unit, the Arbor opens up into a nice open kitchen here with your island here, a couple of chairs for casual eating and dining. You get the white cabinetry, stainless appliances. That's all part of the base package with Lennar. White cabinets, the quartz countertop. You have tile on diagonal in all the main areas. Carpet in the bedrooms. You're going to have crown molding throughout all the main areas. You'll also have crown molding in the master bedroom as well. And this unit is really nice and open from the kitchen. Everything's just opened up. You have the dining area, the living room. Really nice, attractive package here from Lennar. Off the kitchen here to the left is going to be the guest bedroom. You'll have carpet in both bedrooms as a base item. Here you see the twin bed setup. The room is really big enough to where you could fit a king in here as well. So that's your first guest bedroom there. You've got a linen closet here in the hallway. And then you've got your guest bath with your single vanity, white cabinetry, your commode. And then here in the guest bath, tucked away across from the tub shower combination, is your laundry area. So your washer and dryer located right here. This is actually included in your package, so you're going to have a full appliance package with the unit here. Coming out from the guest bath and the guest bedroom opens up into your dining space here, and then also your living room. And this all looks out over your lanai. In this case, you've got a nice water view from your lanai. And then just off the lanai here, this is your entry into your master. Really nice size master suite here. You've got a king size bed along with the end tables there. Lots of natural light with the big window back here. You also are going to get, as part of the package, you're also going to get these 2-inch forward blinds for your windows. That's all part of the base package. And all your windows and doors are hurricane impact rated as well. You've got 2 closets here in the master. The first one here, nice walk-in style closet. And then you've got a coat style closet. Almost a half walk-in on this side as well. So nice little feature. Plenty of storage room here. And then you've got your singular vanity in the master bath. Commode. You have a linen closet right here as well inside the bathroom. And then you also have your walk-in style shower, glassed enclosed. And something to take notice of as well, you do get crown molding along the side there in the master as well. Alright guys, so this is the Arbor floor plan. It's the newest iteration of their Terrace line of condos. You can get this at Treviso Bay down here in Naples, Florida in the 220s and up. Give me a call at 239-671-4046, 239-671-4046 if you're interested in one of these great floor plans by Lennar. You can also email me, Roberto at trevisobayatnaples.com. That's Roberto at trevisobayatnaples.com. And you can also visit me on my website, trevisobayatnaples.com, for all the latest and greatest information regarding Treviso Bay. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we'll talk to you soon, guys.